Welcome! Let's make you a slow stitch fabric and paper tag. So here are a couple of examples of the stitch styles, and basically here will be the end result of the actual tag we will be making in today's video. Now, let's get started. So to start off with, you'll see the piece at the top. That's going to be part of the main journal. So if you guys want to see that, we'll have that video up at some point in time. Maybe not right now at this moment. But this fabric came from a bouquet of flowers. Just got at the grocery store. We've kept these. I had a purple one as well. To start off with, P just runs a quick little stitch through. I don't know what the stitch style is. She really is kind of a freestyle stitcher. And this is just a very basic freestyle stitch using embroidery thread. We have a ton of it. My mom's P's sister gave to us, and we are very thankful and have used that on many projects at this point. And you can see there she's using that one piece of the paper off to the side there as a measurement, because she knows that that's going to be the background after she has stitched this run on the actual fabric. What's so fun about using these kind of little crazy little stitches is that it's whimsical and has just a really nifty looking effect. I think she changed up the paper. Obviously the other one was much more solid, so she grabbed a different piece of paper that she ended up using for the backer that she's attaching now that piece of fabric, the embroidered piece of fabric to, using that same purple embroidery thread. The only difference here is it's kind of going in and out of both pieces versus just a long continuous stitch. Hopefully that makes sense. The piece up there at the top, we used 3 different colors, that same purple, orange, and a yellow, to create that crinkled, almost rouging kind of a look. Now you can see she's just finishing up on that one run. And that's pretty much done. Trying to figure out which paper would look best behind it. Then she passes it off to me. Decided on the yellow, and it's kind of a cool one because it has texture to it. But I do most of the cutting. And the reason I used the playing card as a template is the panels on this journal that we will be putting this tag into are all based on the size of a playing card. You can also see what I had done while it was in my possession is tear some of the each of the sides off, so that way more of the yellow textured paper would be showing through as well. Now he's coming back through, stitching the side just with an in and out stitch. And I'm sure there's probably technical names for these stitches. I don't know them, and I just think that usually P does a lot of freestyle, if anything. Even her crocheting techniques are a little bit on the freestyle side of things. That big fat needle is perfect for using, number one, with the embroidery thread. It's great to it's pretty easy to actually thread it, and very nice for going through the paper and through that particular fabric, which was the kind of chiffon-like. Now coming back in with the orange, that will match up to the other piece that you saw earlier. The slow stitch style is pretty fun. I know P has a really good time with it. I struggle with it a little bit, but we all have things that we are good at, and that's what's so great about our team. If you're finding inspiration in this video, we're so happy that you're here watching and hopefully learning with us. Please hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already. We do these weekly videos and just love having you guys here and showing you new things. Now you can see here, just doing that same, using the playing card as a template. This was some paper that P had made. We have some rubbing stuff coming up that hopefully we will get some projects going with that, but this is some of the paper from that because it didn't match some of the ones that we have in mind for the upcoming projects, but went perfectly with all of the twilight hues. So here you see that little quote. It's actually a definition. It's part of our stuff that will tuck in the pocket, and then that's pretty much it. Thank you again for watching. Like this video. Leave us a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.